Hi everybody, this is Sue Knott, Education Specialist with Minnesota Agriculture in the Classroom. I'm here with my daughters Maria and Alyssa, and since May is National Beef Month, we decided to try out some recipes from the Minnesota Beef Council. So Maria, tell us what you wanted to try.
I decided to try English muffin cheeseburger pizzas.
Okay, and how did we make those?
So first, you have ground beef. You add Italian seasoning, salt, and some pasta sauce.
Okay, so then we have this delicious looking mixture, and you're going to
put it on your toasted English muffins.
Yeah, let's just do one for now. Okay, that looks pretty good. What comes next?
Then you sprinkle it off with some cheddar and mozzarella cheese.
All right, that looks very cheesy. Okay, now what's the next step?
Then you put it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees.
Okay, let's see what the finished product looks like. Why don't you show it to everybody?
Delicious.
Yummy. So cheeseburger pizzas, English muffin cheeseburger pizzas. So Alyssa also wanted to make a kind of pizza. What did you want to make?
Personal beef pizzas.
All right, so tell us how we made those.
So we had ground beef right here, and we put some pizza sauce, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder.
Okay, so once again, we have kind of a ground beef mixture here, and you're going to put it on, what are those? What are we going to put it on? Half rounds.
Half rounds.
Half rounds. So they're kind of like
bread
mini,
rounds.
yeah, kind of like mini pizza crusts.
Yeah. And then I'll put some on.
All right, that looks good.
And then I'll put some mozzarella cheese.
All right, let's move that closer.
Just mozzarella.
All right, and then what did you do?
And then I put it in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes at 500 degrees.
Okay, let's show them the finished product here.
Doesn't it look yummy?
Yummy. All right, well, we have lunch ready. I hope you guys are enjoying your time at home, and May is Beef Month, so try out some new beef recipes. Thanks, everybody.